How's it, Aloha gang? We're back over here at City Mill with a special guest today. He's a filmmaker, local entrepreneur, and local business owner. We got Andrew Tran. Welcome in, bro.
Hey, thank you. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, man. So what brings you into City Mill? Today we're talking about DIY, do-it-yourself projects. You a big DIY guy?
I am. I mean, started from a young age with my dad. He kind of got me involved with all of the projects that he was doing, so it's like nice to be involved and, you know, get hands-on. And I like working with my hands, so it's nice to be able to like build things and fix things and work on things.
Definitely. It kind of gives you that sense of accomplishment,
yes,
knowing that you built it. I did it, and I can do it. Over here on the table, we got some good starter stuff. Like, what do you recommend for some of these tools for the average DIY project?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, every project kind of has its own set of tools that you would need, but I would say like these tools in general could be used for any project, right? Like a good measuring tape. Always good to be precise on measurements. You want to measure twice, cut once. So,
eyeballing is only good for like cocktails and other things like that. You want a measuring tape to be exact, right?
Yes. Especially when you're cutting something, you know, you want to measure. It's good for a bunch of things. So having a good tape measure is good in your kit. Socket kit, good tool kit. A leveler, obviously, you know, you want things to be level. You don't want to put up a shelf and like not level it and be like, oh, that looks kind of crooked. So a good level kit, and then a speed square. I think a lot of people don't know what this is, but I have this in my kit. I recommend this for everyone. You know, you can put it up against a piece of wood, draw a straight 90-degree angle. You got a 45-degree angle. There's a bunch of other tools and guides you can do on here too. So it's a really good tool to have. It's good for straight lines.
You're the owner of Valor, which is a great local spot over here as well. You actually use some of these tools to build.
Yes. So I mean, that was the most recent project we kind of worked on. It was cool, you know, to work with the contractors, and my partner Chris is actually also a carpenter, so we were spitballing like that and working together on that, and we were able to like do some parts of the bar, the front of the bar. You see the slats, we put that up manually. It was cool. It was nice to be able to like work on things, and when we were cutting the slats, it was good to have this, right? Like draw that straight line and cut it straight. So if you look at the slats, I'm pretty sure they're straight.
There you go. And that's a big reason why.
It's because of this. Thank you.
The power drill is so versatile. You can do like a million different things with it.
Yes. This is something I recommend everyone has in their household. Whether you do projects every day or like, you know, every so often, it's nice to have because like nobody has time to manually screw things. The power tool, you can use it to drill holes, you can screw things, you can assemble things, you can disassemble things, and it just saves you time. Very fast and good for things. So 2 tools here. This is a good kit from City Mill actually. This has a good power drill. You can drill, you can change the power to do different things. If you're doing like a lighter thing, you can do in one. You can even drill. This is like another impact driver. It's smaller. It has more torque than a power drill. So if you have budget for both of these, I would get this too because like its main purpose is to drive screws in.
All right, now we got a good variety of tools over here on the table. What is your advice for the first-time DIYer? Like, where's a good place to start?
Honestly, there's so many resources out there now, whether it's online or in person, especially in Hawaii. City Mill, locally owned, local friendly staff. So when you come in, find someone, ask them for help. They have a lot of knowledge and advice. So come in, tell them what you're working on, and they'll take care of you.